Hey lovelies, Jessica here, and today I'm going to show you how to master the Agari Clean Girl look with my favorite new product, the Peripera Ink Mood Glowy Tint. If you're a beauty enthusiast like me, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. First things first, let's talk about what makes the Agari Clean Girl look so irresistible. It's all about that fresh, dewy, and effortlessly chic vibe. Think glass skin paired with glossy, hydrated lips. And that's where the Peripera Ink Mood Glowy Tint comes in. This tint is a triple threat. It combines the benefits of a tint, gloss, and stain all in one. You get long-lasting color, an amazing shine, and a comfortable, non-sticky texture. Plus, it comes in a wide range of shades to suit every skin tone and mood, from subtle nudes to vibrant reds and pinks. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial. Step 1. Base makeup. Start with a lightweight foundation or BB cream to even out your skin tone. The goal here is to keep it natural and breathable. Next, use a creamy concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Remember, less is more. Now for the fun part, the Peripera Ink Mood Glowy Tint. I'm using the shade Coral Mood today. It's perfect for a fresh, everyday look. Apply a small amount to the center of your lips and gently blend it outwards for that gorgeous gradient lip effect. This technique gives your lips a natural, plumped look that's oh so trendy. But wait, we're not done yet. You can also dab a tiny bit of the tint on your cheeks for a matching glowy blush. Just a little dot on each cheek, then blend it out with your fingers for a seamless finish. Talk about versatility. To complete the Agari Clean Girl look, let's add a touch of highlighter to the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose. This will enhance that dewy, glass skin effect we're going for. A quick curl of the lashes and a coat of mascara, and you're good to go. And there you have it, lovelies. The perfect Agari Clean Girl look with the Peripera Ink Mood Glowy Tint. It's fresh, it's dewy, and it's totally wearable for any occasion. Plus, it's super affordable, so you don't have to break the bank to look fabulous. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest beauty tips and tricks. And if you try out this look, tag me on social media. I'd love to see your gorgeous faces rocking the Agari Clean Girl look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.